ilang schools po yung nabanggit na terminated na dahil yun, hindi maayos na ah, napatupad no, itong supposedly expectation sa kanila with the use of the vouchers.
Yes. So, Mr. Chair, we started terminating po. We had 22 schools for school year 2021 to 2022. That's 22 in February 2023. And we terminated another 32 schools for school year 2022 to 2023. Yan po yung parang sakop ng findings natin. And then for 2023-2024, we already have one terminated, and then under investigation po yung another 12.
And Mr. Chair, in terms of the total amount or yung value ng mga vouchers na hindi pala talaga napakinabangan dahil merong ghost students, magkano po yung total na value nun?
Siguro I'll just use the term questionable claims na lang siguro, no, Mr. Chair. In September, starting school year 2023-2024, ito po yung ginawa natin sa Department of Education. When the private schools submit their billing statements, before po natin binabayaran, idadaan po natin sa Learner's Information System. Pag yung billing statements po ay hindi tumugma doon sa information ng Learner's Information System natin, hindi po natin siya dinisburse yung pera. Hinold po natin yung payment na yon. And for school year 2023-2024, around 200 million po yung hindi po natin release because nga po may discrepancy. So we cannot say altogether na ghost students po yon kasi it might be na nagpumasok po sila sa private school on the first few months, and then afterwards umalis po sila, bumalik po sa public school because nagkaroon po ng problema. So meron po tayong ganun na mga situation. So yun po nationwide, yun po yung ating na hold kasi may discrepancy. So we cannot say talaga for sure na ito po talaga ay ghost students lahat.